Leo.
Mga ka-amethyst, this is my annual reading for you at this very moment, the full moon in Cancer, para po ito sa mga nasa zodiac sign, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Leo, Sun, Moon, Rising. If what's going to resonate and need to rest. Ooh, shuffling the cards sa speed lang na ganyan. First card, 8 Diamond. Take what's going to resonate and leave the rest. Share niyo po ito sa inyong mga mahal sa buhay if it connects with them or if you can feel na para sa kanila to. 8 Diamond means let's talk about your whole year of opportunities. Monetary gains, expansion of your network, friendship, or acquaintances na very valuable or full of quality. Pagpapahalaga sa mga kaibigan, pagkakaroon ng continuous flow of money, resources, opportunities to um, have more resources and respect or stability in life. Ace of Club, may mga uumpisahan ka, posibleng karamihan sa inyo mag-umpisa maging kilala, maging negosyante, maging entrepreneur, maging mas visible sa paningin ng mga kaibigan, kapitbahay, community na kabilang ka organization. Pero kung ikaw lang daw ang mag-i-initiate, hindi ka raw sigurado, hindi ka sure, or hindi mo alam kung paano gagawin ito. So, with that being said, tapos na raw ang pagka-introvert mo or tapos na yung pagkupublik, pag-hide ng iyong gifts, talents, or skills this year. Okay? Some of you, it looks like may napaka-importanting babae sa buhay ninyo. Can be your mortal enemy, your boss, posibleng boss sa iba, posibleng mother figure sa iba or ate na masungit, ganun. Na pwedeng magsabi sa'yo kung hindi naman sigurado ka ba sa pinagagawa mo or magiging uncertain yung first 4 months ng taong ito para sa'yo dahil sa distraction or opinion ng iba, gaya ng tinutukoy ko, or ikaw tong kailangan mong manindigan at maging sigurado sa ginagawa mo. Patunayan ng isang bagay kahit na wala pa naman, kahit na very uncertain pa naman. Dahil alam mo, pag nanindigan ka, pag pinaglaban mo, ginawa mo pa rin, dahil may paraan, unti-unti, marireveal along the way kung ano ito. So, ang aking mga Leo ay sigurado daw magiging happy not because there's so many resources. Hindi lang tayo sa resources eh. Dahil sa ginawa mo yung gusto mo. Dahil yung desire or fulfillment mo this year will be the most significant thing to happen. Okay. Sa October, definitely there will be multiple of chances, opportunities, or mamumultitask ka. Okay? So first quarter ng taong ito, King Diamond, very important na makinig sa professional. Kung ikaw ay nag-aaral sa teacher, professor, kung ikaw ay nagpa-check up, makinig sa doktor, kung ikaw ay nagko-consult sa engineer, architect, or lawyer, listen to them. Kasi since nag-consult ka na rin naman, they are more intelligent or mas wiser sila or mas malinaw yung kanilang idea about the certain things that you want to know. Okay? So first, sa second quarter, very important na mga anak, if you have kids or children within the family, very important na mapamper ka na parang bata. Or you will act like a child. Okay? But in a very happy way. Third quarter, 5 Diamond, you will be very busy sa work, career, or negosyo. And by last quarter ng taon 2026, Three of Heart, just like what happened, sabi mag-multitask, mag-uumpisa ka mag-multitask. And mas spiritually, well, there will be certain situations na matitrigger ka para mas lalong ma-enhance ang iyong spirituality, ang iyong pananalig, or may mga dapat kang isikreto sa panahon ito na kailangang ingatan para hindi ka magmumblema sa susunod na taon, or you need to put yourself into private life na. Kung very public yung buong taon, sa last part ng taon, there are certain things in your life na kailangan tago mo na, or dapat alam mo yung limitations and boundaries of your private and personal life na nakapublic. Okay. Dahil dyan, ang tarot naman ay ito. First card. Same thing. Oh, yung pala, Queen of Cups in reverse. If you're someone that's very important sa iyo, ang mga kababaihan sa pamilya mo or mahal sa buhay na girl or lady or woman, manonotice mo sila, mga sensitive sila sa ngayon over you. This year, there will be a lot of conversations or misunderstanding, disagreement na hindi dapat bigyan attention, or else makukuha nito yung panahon mo na dapat nagpapahinga ka. So, choose to be at peace, to be well-rested instead of giving a lot of effort or energy to something na hindi ka naman mag-benefit. Okay. Dahil dyan, ang mensahe naman ng Oracle card for you, Sun, Moon, Rising, Leo. You are the star, you are the treasure, you are the dragon within this year. You will uncover treasures, you will uncover opportunities to earn more money. You just have to go with the flow, because everything's gonna be smooth sailing if you understand kung gaano kakahalaga na quality ng mga tao dapat ang iyong mga kasama, that you have to listen to intelligent people if you want to succeed. Act like a successful person already, kahit na hindi pa naman, because miracles can happen in your life within this year. Okay? Next is, this is my father's sticks for you, and the first 3 sticks that's meant for you to hear today. Okay, anything ito mapanood. Focus more on your work sa unang quarter ng taon, para hindi ka na makaranas ng crisis sa mga susunod na buwan. Then, you will try to reconcile or reconsider things. So, ayusin mo na ang iyong trabaho, alagaan ang mabuti ito, seryosohin at mag-create na, i-manage mo na ang iyong trabaho. That will gain respect kasi, lalo na kung ikaw ay husband material na, or wanting to have a husband material, or wanting to have a committed serious relationship with your husband. If you are married, if single, if you want to meet someone very serious, makikita mo raw ito only if you take your work and career seriously with respect. And you will be as sweet as honey within this year. Last but not the least, not only with your partner, but also fulfilling your destiny in a very unexpected way. Thank you.